Hello! Welcome to the Study With Me series of Law School Buddy. I have prepared audiobook materials following the syllabus of the Philippine bar exams dedicated to our law school students. I hope that this audiobook can help with your study and review. Let's begin. Today's episode will cover Rules of Court and Criminal Procedure, Rule 127, Provisional Remedies in Criminal Cases, Section 1. Availability of provisional remedies. The provisional remedies in civil actions, insofar as they are applicable, may be availed of in connection with the civil action deemed instituted with the criminal action. Section 2. Attachment. When the civil action is properly instituted and the criminal action is provided in Rule 111, the offended party may have the property of the accused attached as security for the satisfaction of any judgment that may be recovered from the accused in the following cases. A. When the accused is about to abscond from the Philippines. B. When the criminal action is based on a claim for money or property embezzled, or fraudulently misapplied or converted to the use of the accused who is a public officer, officer of a corporation, attorney, factor, broker, agent, or clerk, in the course of his employment as such, or by any other person in a fiduciary capacity, or for a willful violation of duty. C. When the accused has concealed, removed, or disposed of his property, or is about to do so. And A. When the accused resides outside the Philippines. And that is the end. If this audiobook has helped you, please comment down below, and like and share our video to someone who might need it. Thank you so much for making us your law school buddy.